Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook Messenger not showing active status. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Facebook application, and first of all we have to check our active status in our Facebook setting. So we can click on the three lines on the top right. Just click on the three lines and then you can click on the setting icon. Okay, and now the setting has been opened and we can go to the active status. You can scroll down like this to find the active status. This one guys, you have to check your active status. Click on this active status, and then here you need to activate this feature, show when you're active. Click on the toggle button to activate this feature, and right after you activate this feature, the active status will be shown in your Facebook Messenger. Alright guys, and that's how we can fix Facebook Messenger not showing active status. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.